Do you like it? Do you like it? I like it too. Hmm? Listen to them birds. Tingnan niyo, oh, rainforest. Rainforest.
Rainforest.
Yeah.
This is where the rain came from.
It's rainforest.
A rain tree.
A rain tree?
Here's the heads. Lovely scenes as you can see, Jovi's boat.
Good morning, princess. Hi. Magandang umaga, baba. Where are you? Where are you? Nasa ibang kama ka. It's okay. Okay. Stand up. Magandang umaga, people. So, wala kami sa bahay namin. As you can see, bago ang ating bed. Papasensya na ang ating buhok. Hindi pa nasuklay. Kakagising lang namin, guys. Actually, kakabangon lang. Kanina pa ito nagising eh. So, we are in Coolum Beach. It is 2 hours drive from us. So, ito yung sabi ko sa inyo na mini getaway ng family. So, di ba nga hindi kami nag-celebrate na anniversary namin ni Daddy Mike. So, ito yung parang late na celebration namin. Maganda naman yung tulog ng ating baby girl. So, thumbs up sa kanilang bed. Comfortable na. Is the bed comfortable na? So, kami lang dalawa dito. So, last night, last night kasi, si Ate Paris ay umiyak. Nandun siya sa kabilang kwarto kasama yung lolo. Umiyak siya mga madaling araw. So, pinapunta ko si Daddy Mike doon. Good morning. What's this? What's this?
Okay, go to swimming pool.
Oh, to swimming pool. Look at the swimming pool. Good morning. Good morning, Ate Paris. Shh.
Good morning.
How was your sleep?
Good, but can we go in the pool?
Of course we can. Have to eat breakfast first, though.
Bye. I will
We eat breakfast.
bye.
What's your show?
Bye.
Okay. Morning, Daddy.
Morning.
It's very dark. I can see you.
Morning, kitten.
ABC kids.
Daddy? Morning, Daddy. Quickly, hold quickly. Maybe I'm gonna show outside. Yay! Daddy! Is it Daddy? Is it Daddy? Pakita ko sa inyo yung view natin sa labas. Ayan. Alam niyo ba? Sobrang timing kasi nung plano na namin na pumunta dito ay umulan. It's raining. It's been raining since yesterday. Walang humpay pero hindi siya malakas na ulan. Kasi madilim pa sa labas. Okay. Meron silang swimming pool dyan. Apparently, it's heated. Tignan nyo, may naliligo, no? So, punta kami dyan mamaya. Wala, umulan ko talaga ba? Kahapon, hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung napapunta na kami dito kasi tawag ito, sobrang traffic. Tapos, no idea si babysitin natin ay sobrang iyak sa sasakyan. So, ayan. So, I think beach na yan siya dyan. That's the main road. And then, yeah. Yeah, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda pa siguro nito, guys, kapag maganda yung araw, hindi umuulan. But anyways, you know, we're just very happy that we're here. Ito yun. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Nikki! Hello! Ayun, holiday. Yeah, we're just very lucky, guys, na parang nawa kami ng ganito after na lahat na nangyari.
I'll go look for it. I'll go look at the beach. And we'll go for a swim now before breakfast.
Where are we going for breakfast? The same place?
We'll go a street. Have a look.
I'll just do a quick tour, Daddy. Tour. Just tour. I'll do a tour. So, ito yung room namin na.
Put your clothes on.
Buhok ni mami niyo ay mapasuklay. So, meron siyang lagay yung mga damit dyan. And ito yung view ng ating bed. Aww! What a beautiful view.
Someone's bad view,
My parents still asleep.
Yeah, I know. This is the bathroom.
I'm gonna go in.
Can you do a tour, Daddy? Do a tour.
Huh?
Do a tour. Show us.
This is a bathroom. This is ensuite, actually.
Oh, yeah. It's the shower there.
This is the main bathroom, which Lola Karen has taken.
Meron siyang bath.
There we are.
Yan, ito sa kay bed.
That's Lola Karen and Kat Paris's room.
Dalawang bed yung dyan, guys. Single.
With Daddy and I was sleeping in.
Ito, meron silang washing and dryer. And then, dito, ay, madilim pa.
Kitchen and living area.
Malaki yung space po. Open up. Woohoo! Curtains!
It's my Suki girl.
Hi! Should I go to sleep though?
Was she in a good mood when she woke up?
Yeah. What's that? What is that? There you go. Open natin yung curtain para makita niya. Very messy here now, but yeah. So 3 couches. That's the kitchen there. TV here. Ooh, bless you, anak. Bless you. Bless you. And that's the door, the front door. Ito yung dining table na messy. And the kitchen, microwave, then fridge. Ayan. And then ito yung likuran. Meron pa siyang dito sa likuran, little balcony. Hindi lang sa harapan ng balcony. So yan yung door sa kwarto nila Paris tsaka ni ng Karen. And then meron silang maliliit na chairs dito. Ayan. Diba? Tropics na tropics, Ginaw. That's it. That's the end of our tour. Definitely, enough space. Actually, like more than enough space for us. Yes, it's very dark, Manono. I can see. Oh, have breakfast. Wait, look, she's get up. Where are you going?
She's going to Mum. She's ready.
She's very excited.
Right here. There's one hot.
Okay.
There's one hot.
Yes.
And one cooler. So which one do you want me to do? Hot or warm?
Hot.
Hot, but that.
What would you like, hot or warm?
I think hot because I really love hot so much. And the sun, I love hot.
Meron kaming naiwan na mga pagkain from last night. So, nag-dinner kami kagabi sa Thai restaurant. And, may mga naiwan. So, dinala namin pauwi. Sayang naman. Diba? No? And then, we'll just keep Celine this for this morning. It's chicken, sweet corn, plus mango.
So this is my favorite game.
Careful, please.
This is really my favorite game. So you pick a card, and if you get a loser, you get to eat. And if you get a winner, you get to not eat. So that's play. These are there's lots of cards in here, but they're not open.
Look a little bit so that I can see.
There are just more, but gosh. Like this. It's $1, $2, $2 dollars. $2 dollars. There's another one coming.
Stop. Stop. Whoa, good job. Good job. So, ito yung isa guys. Beef. Fried rice. Nakabihis na ng kanyang paligo. Super excited.
Okay, so that. Let's go.
Yum, yum.
Let's go.
My Lini eating?
That's
Is my Lini eating? Like a good girl. You have to get her water bottle from... Is that...
So I just happened.
Huh?
I just opened it.
Okay. Good girl.
Alright, I'm gonna say
So, nakapag-shower na si mami nyo guys. Hindi na ako naligo kasi it will take forever kapag niliguan ko pa ang aking hair. So, yung ginawa ko ay, ayan, kinurl ko na lang siya ng konti. Ayan, sa ilalim lang na curl. Ayan, looks like that. Oh, I love the color of my hair, guys. What do you think? Sobrang nagagandahan ako. So, naglagay lang ako nito. Ito yung gamit ko na powder. This is from Korea, guys. Atomy. Ayan. So, it looks like this inside. Ayan. Ating Ate Paris ay nagamit-gamit din ito. And then, para siyang basa na powder. Ganun. Basa na powder? Hala. Bugo ka eh. Basa na product. Oh, product na lang para ano. Ayan. Tapos, pinupush-push ko lang sa aking mukha ng ganyan kasi wala na talaga akong ano ngayon sa yung mag-full makeup talaga. Kahit na holiday. Anyways, you know, minsan lang tayo, alam niyo ba, minsan lang tayo makapag-holiday ng ganito. Alam niyo ba yun? And then, ito yung ginamit ko na blush. Ate Paris also used this one. Come here. Pero kahit na pink na yung kanyang cheeks, naglagay pa rin siya. Pero wala naman. Yung ano lang, yung mga naiwan lang dito ba. Show your outfit, babe. Show your outfit. Yeah, move here. Move here a little bit. Ate. Wala, nag-lipstick pa, oh. Tignan nyo. Here, ate. Show your outfit here. Wow, very warm yan siya. Ito yung aking pants, guys. Ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike for me na Lorna Jane. Yung babysilin natin ay nakatulog doon sa kanyang daddy. So, hinawakan ng kanyang daddy nung nag-shower ako. Tapos, ayun, nakatulog. Niready ko na yung kanyang damit. Gisingin ko kaya? Ito yung pang-ilalim. So, kailangan may pang-ilalim kasi maginaw. And then, super cute yung susuotin niya. Ito yung ipapasuot ko. Ayan. Ang tawag dito, guys. Knitted pullover. Ayan. And then, ite. O, diba? Sobrang cute. Pag ganyan. Ganyan. O, diba? Ayan. And then, lagyan ko siya ng legging sa ilalim kasi nga, to keep her warm. And then, maglalakad siguro kami kasi minsan lang kami ito namin i-explore yung area. Then, I'm not sure kasi umuulan at maginaw. I don't think it's perfect time to walk. But we'll see. Pakita ko sa labas, guys. It looks miserable outside. Timing talaga ang aming holiday. Ayan, umuulan. Tapos yung payong pa namin ay sira. Do you like our room? Do you like our house?
Yes.
Yes. Did you have a good sleep last night? Is your bed comfortable?
Yeah. It's a swimming pool.
Oh, yeah. Tell Tita and Tito about the pool. Where did you go?
In the little pool.
In the little one?
Yes. Do you know why I can't go in the big one?
Why?
Because it's cold.
It's cold. You went to, I think hindi sila pumunta ng pool kasi nga maginaw.
But the
Ano
small
daw,
one
may
is warm.
Spa.
The small one's warm.
Yeah, is that the spa? Jacuzzi?
No.
Kasi sobrang excited
It's
niya. Gusto
warm.
niya talagang maligo. Yeah. Did you like it?
Yes, but I have my lipstick.
I know. It's so pink. It's so pink. Yan. Siya pa yung naglagay sa akin ng blush on ko, guys. Did you put your mama's blush on?
Yes.
Thank you. Alam niyo ba, hindi ako nakadala ng jacket. Paglagay na lang ako ng sweater on top of this. Kukunin ko. Talk to tita, tita.
And look, my lips. The magical. But it also went pull back. Really, really warm. But it was really warm back. Do you like my lipstick? And
No. Anak, you're talking not in the camera, honey. They couldn't see you.
And you could be more than one thing. You could be more than one thing. Do you know? I love you, everyone.
Anak, be, mama will show tita dito.
Welcome back to our channel.
Ate, get your shoes go. What shoes are you wearing? What shoes are you wearing?
The phones.
The thongs? Okay, get it, be. We'll put it on.
Because we're going to look at the beach also.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Okay. Ganyan na lang, guys. I made sure na may mga yung mga kids. Kasi mami niyo, hayaan niyo na. But yeah, I love this champa.
What?
Nagisingin na lang namin yun.
Few moments later.
Ay, shush! Masuko di ay! Dito na kami sa labas, guys. Ni! Nag-drive kami kasi tingnan niyo, oh. Sobrang ulan. Allah! Anak ko, this shit. Throw it away, nak. Get it, please. Okay. So, dito kami sa The Coffee Club. Hey, hi. What are you ordering? You had milk already. You had milk already, sweetheart. Yes? Ito yung kanyang pa-outfit today. Oh, super cute naman ang baby naman. Whoop. Yung mama ni Daddy.
Basta.
Yummy, Paris. What are you having there, Nak? What's that?
This one's toast.
Wow.
Salt on the chips? Yes, guys. Thanks, mate.
Yum.
Mommy, Lord Karen had given me one of these, and it's to me to try it, and it's really own.
Yummy? Do you like it? Oh, wow. That's good.
Nice and quick.
Yay. Celine had a lot. Oh, you have a look. What are you eating? Whoa. She's having ham. Oh, no, is that ham? Yeah, ham. And egg. At the Paris. Did you finish your food?
Which one?
Your food. Your breakfast.
Yeah, but
Oh, no, no. No, no, no. There's a lot.
Look how big you are.
hey, look at her eyebrows.
Yeah, ready.
He's wearing eyeshadow now.
Huh?
Hello.
He's wearing eyeshadow. Oh, that dollar has green eyeshadow.
Lala.
That dollar has green.
Oh, she wants food.
Wait,
She wants ice cream.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami sa beach. Sobrang maulan. Tingnan niyo, nagpayong kami ni Baby Celine. And Ma'am Karen's there. Taking siya ng pictures. Ah, God. So, sobrang ganda siguro dito, guys, kung hindi maulan. Paris! Use your umbrella properly, anak! Good girl. May nag-surfing doon, oh. Lovely. Hey, Lily. Yes, my Lily. Bebe. Do you like the beach? It's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Lily? Do you like it? Do you like it? I like it too. I think you like yourself better. Nandun na ang ating Ate Paris. Hindi talaga siya mapipigilan, guys. Do you wanna go? Do you wanna go? Oh gosh, she's sleepy. Sleepy. Oh, oh. Hanap daw siya ng shells. Gawin niya ng necklace. Go Ate Paris na! Go Ate Paris!
A few moments later.
Time check, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Sobrang maulan pa rin, guys. All day. Umulan ng umulan. So, nandito ako ngayon sa nagpark sa gilid ng daan, actually. So, yung mga shops kasi na pinuntahan namin, sobrang lapit lang nila sa kung saan kami nagstay. But then, because it's raining, kaya nagsasakyan kami. Kung maganda lang sana yung panahon, ay lalakarin lang namin kasi sobrang close lang. It's probably 9 minutes walk, 9 to 10 minutes walk. So, nag-decide si Ma'am Karen and si Daddy Mike na pumunta ng supermarket. May bibilhin para pag snacks namin mamaya or whatnot. And then they wanted to walk. They wanted to walk back home. So, since nandun yung sasakyan, kailangan ko mag-drive. So, ako lang dito ngayon sa sasakyan mag-isa. Nakita ko sa inyo yung binili ko doon. Binili to ni Daddy Mike at first for Ate Paris. Tingnan nyo. Pumunta sila ng Rip Curl. We have that. And then, tingnan nyo tong shirt na to. Na dumihan. Ewan ko, galing sa bag na sinidlan nila. Well, how much is this one? $26 and this one is... Oh, you're gonna be kidding me. $40 for this. Just for this little short. $40. Goodness. Anyways, and then, meron akong... Ma'am Karen and I went into this beautiful, very cute shop, Ganda Clothing. Maganda talaga yung... maganda yung kanilang mga paninda doon, guys. Ma'am Karen bought some... pants and a top. Tapos binilhan niya si Paris ng dress. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya pagdating natin doon sa apartment. And then I bought this one for myself. It's super summery. I know it's very opposite sa kung ano yung panahon ngayon, but summer will come soon. Binili ko to siya. Parang tignan kasi na lukot ba sa bag. But it's a skirt. At sobrang naengganyo talaga ako sa kanyang print. Have a look. Mukhang cortena lang. Cortena. It looks like mantle, but whatever. Sobrang ganda kasi niya, guys. Ito yung mga type ko ng mga floral ba. Ayan. Meron pa siyang paslit dito. Ayan. Tinry ko to siya. Sabi ni, mama ni Daddy Mike, na, I really like it. It looks good on you. Kaya binili ko na rin. Yan, isa lang naman. And then, this one is in size 6. So, binitbit ko yung size 8. And then, it was too big. Ayan. So, I got the size 6. And the price is $44.95. So, akala ko, 35 lang yung mababayaran ko, guys. Kaya $10 off. Pagdating ko sa counter, yung sabi nila, ano pala, $10 off kapag bumili ka ng isa pang skirt. And, I didn't really want to buy two. I just want this one kasi nagandahan lang talaga ako sa kanyang print at kulay. Ayun. And then, I got this. Daddy Bat bought me this. Juice. Tingnan nyo itong dalawa naglalaro. Oh. Ate! Ate! Lumabas siya kasi ayaw mag-bounce ng ball dito sa carpet. Okay. Go play with Celine. Ate! I'm gonna play with Celine first. I'm gonna play with Celine, but make her laugh. Make her laugh.
Get me outside!
Hello. Hello. Nak, shall we let Ate Paris in? Celine? Hello, hello. Hello. Oh. Lini. Celine. Celine. Celine, what do you think? Lini, shall we let Ate Paris in or no? No? No, Celine said no. Nak. Pasulod na to sa atin, nak, dili. Celine! Check. Ay, gigit! Ano lang? No. Oh God, you look scary. You look scary. Yuck, dirty. Come on, quick, cause Celine's gonna come out. Yay! Ate Paris in.
My dad's funny,
Very funny. Shall
You
we?
just smacked Celine in the face.
Say sorry, Celine.
Hey. You look very cute right now, Celine.
She's in a good mood. Yay! Hi! You in a good mood, Leanie Gil?
Look at this.
Oh no! Just took it off. Wait, show me.
Okay.
Be.
Okay, again.
Relaxing lang sila, guys. Relaxing ang mga tao. Kasi mag-spa? Sa spa ba? Hari ko ba? Jacuzzi? Jacuzzi?
Spa.
Spa, right there.
Ask Mum if she wants to have a spa, alright?
We'll bring Celine.
So have a look.
as well.
Ask Mum.
I'll get some yogurt for Celine. Bumili si lola niya nito kanina sa Coast. Actually, tastes yum, guys. Rhubarb. Yan, just a little bit. Yan, meron pa siyang binili isa. Honey naman to siya. Yan. Ito pala yung antibiotic ni Celine kasi last day niya kahapon para uminom ng antibiotic, so dinala namin. Meron pang naiwan. Ayan, konti. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna give that to her. Alright. Si Lini. Si Lini. What's this? What's this? Hey, hey. You'll like it, Nak. It's so yummy.
I love you, Papa.
I love you too, Daddy.
I love you too, Daddy.
Thank you.
We too love you.
Without free love you.
Ha. I'm looking at Lady's face. Now, look. She's looking in the camera. So good.
So hard. So hard. Alright, I can see. I can see.
So yum. Yummy yogurt.
I'm gonna go sleep now.
Are you? Good night, ate. Ito pala yung binili ni Lola ni Paris sa kanya. Super ganda.
Give me my arms, Papa. Okay.
Super ganda. Walay. Diba? Cute. Nak, try this on, be. Come here. Model.
I'll do another later.
Lini, that's you. Bah.
It's yummy. It's yummy with apple.
It's very yummy. This is a yogurt. What are you having, Lini? Shh. What are you having? Yogurt, guys. You like it? Mama loves it too. Ang ating Ate Paris ay swimming ulit. Kasama yung tatay niya. Kahit yung tatay niya ay masakit ang ulo. Ba? Pumunta kami ng grocery kanina. Dadali Mike kasi kailangan siyang bilhan ng ayan, Nurofen. Sa kakamadali ko, meltlets ang nabili ko para sa kanya. But yeah, hopefully he will feel better soon. Sakit daw yung ulo niya, guys. Yum? Good morning, people! Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. So it's our second day and our last day here. And nakapag-ready na kami, guys, because we are checking out from our apartment. And sobrang saya kasi lumabas si Haring Araw. Yesterday, nakita nyo naman, diba? Sobrang maulan, super cold. And today, we'll show you. It looks much better. Iba talaga kapag may araw, guys, no? Nakaka-lift ng mood ba? So, hindi pa kami naka-swimming dyan. It's okay. Next time, my love. Next time, my love. So, nakapag-pack up na lahat. Ayan. Honey, show me your dress, babe.
Hi.
Hey, show me your dress.
Hi.
Yes.
Dada, before when I was here, when I didn't have my bandage on, I saw the Tito flying in a parachute.
Really? Did you?
Yeah.
I didn't see. Lucky you seen it. Whereabouts? Outside there?
It was flying there.
Oh.
But I missed out it.
Babe, model sa the dress, babe. So, yan yung binili ng kanyang lola kahapon. Wow, beautiful girl. Okay, move there a little bit so I can see you. Wow. Ay, nakaano na. Ang mga bags nakalabas na. And then we're going. Isn't that really?
No traffic delays at the moment.
Hey.
Way home.
Ay, ouch. Hindi mo na kami uuwi diretso, guys. Obviously, since nandito kami, mamaya pa kaming hapon uuwi talaga. We will go somewhere, beach maybe, and Okay, enjoy muna namin yung day namin. Okay, before kami uwi mamaya. Celine, Daddy, where are we? Welcome to
Noosa Heads.
Noosa Heads! Yay! Lini, si Noosa Heads. Sobrang...
Paris head.
Paris bucket head.
Old bucket head.
Bumit-bit ng kanyang bucket para sa beach. Careful anak, this way. So dito kami nag-park, sobrang busy, ang dami ng sasakyan. Yung mga tao ay naghahanap ng mapaparkingan. Buti na lang, I think that's the last one there, mom, yeah? Like the last
Yeah, you
park. Very lucky.
There's some over there too.
Oh yeah.
are. Oh yeah.
They just made like a car park there as well. Alright, keep going, my love. Can you see it now?
My head.
Now, can you see when you're doing it now? Yeah. So we're going to get something to eat first. Listen to them birds. Tingnan niyo, oh, rainforest. Rainforest.
Rainforest.
Yeah.
This is where the rain came from.
It's rainforest.
A rain tree.
A rain tree? It's where the rain came from, na? It's rainforest.
Rain tree forest. There's such a place.
Just walking through the dainty rainforest here in Noosa Heads. Lovely scenes, as you can see. Jovi's book, Celine, my mum, and Paris are just walking down. Gonna go grab a coffee. Very nice, very sunny. Beautiful scenery here. And then yeah, we'll just go grab a coffee and head to the beach. There's my two girls. Yeah, very nice.
Always.
Rest. Pumunta ng seed guys kasi masakit yung kanyang paa. Binilhan ng bagong shoes.
Shoes.
Have a look at them socks. She's wearing it now, mom.
Oh. Oh, very good. And socks.
Wow,
Woohoo.
comfy?
Got some more socks in here.
Yeah.
It looks, that's for Celine, mom.
Oh, Celine.
Yeah.
Put your octopus in here. Ow. All right. There you go. I'll carry it if you like.
Alrighty, Paris.
Yeah,
Let's
that's
go and get something to eat
Come on.
and a drink.
Come on.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl.
Wow, Lini. Hi. Oh no. Paris. You want? You gotta get in the car wet. Very expensive. Have a look guys, oh, sobrang ganda, ang daming tao. Yeah, Jeff?
And go all the way. It's really nice. Like from there, all the way.
Okay, so how are you going to summarize your mini getaway, Daddy?
Yeah, it's amazing. Just would love to have a mini getaway without the minis.
No, the minis are great. They're doing well. Woohoo!
Hey, happy Celine? Hey, Celine.